trend. Kiss your pet on the head and see their reaction.
Okay, I just need to get a water for the gym, and that's not a water.
Missing the entire season. You did the quick math on that day? I think I was 36. That Martin didn't look happy there in that fellow, did he? No. He's got to put a spot on his face. 3rd and 1.
I was in love for the second time. She told me not to lie.
Oh my god. Is that for me?
I found that there's 2 types of cats in this world. The first one being really grateful for all that you do for them, and they're very loving, and they would never do anything to hurt you. The next type of cat is a disrespectful little jerk who bites you and claws you, even though they were the one that asked to be pet in the first place.
Just kidding, he followed me downstairs. You are. I'm gonna sit on you.
Yo, that's fucking crazy. So the touch lamp is working with the cat's nose, because the cat is connected to the light. I ain't never seen shit like this. Alright, somebody duet this and try it.